How to export ChatGPT responses safely. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device. Make sure you're in the conversation which you want to export. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen in here. After you click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find different options. Press on Share. After you press on Share, it will lead you to this kind of page. Here, at the bottom, click on Share Link. After you click on Share Link, at the bottom, it will open all the apps that are available on your device. Select from which app you want to export. After you've selected the app, I've selected Instagram and send to a friend. So if I open the chat and click on the link, as you can see, there is a conversation. And this is how to export ChatGPT responses safely. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.